Apple Rubber has spent nearly 50 years mastering the art of rubber molding and part design. We make almost everything here in our facility. Our advanced in-house tooling allows us to speed up the mold making process, so we can deliver exceptional rubber parts as quickly as possible. As part of our in-house capabilities, we offer custom prototyping and compression, transfer, and injection molding. This sets us apart from other manufacturers. In fact, very few companies are able to offer this level of expertise to their customers. During our prototyping process, we quickly provide feedback for ways to improve designs. Our engineers work directly with customers to make the production process as efficient as possible. Before we begin cutting steel, our design engineers use 3D CAD to model the customer part. This gives us the ability to quickly review designs to assure the part can be manufactured. We also use this time to make sure the selected material is right for the application and future processing. After the design review is complete, we begin creating a 3D model of the prototype mold. This model is sent to the machine shop, where a CAM program creates the tool path for production. The CAM program then feeds our CNC tool path so the tool can be machined. Once the tool paths are mapped out, our machinists begin cutting the tool steel. At Apple Rubber, we use hardened steel tools instead of aluminum to provide a high tolerance part. Using steel allows us to run through more cycles and make larger quantities of parts that aid in design and development testing, bench testing, verification and validation undertakings, and the production part approval process. Steel's incredible durability helps keep cavity edges sharp so parts remain consistent. Unlike rapid prototyping, Apple Rubber prototypes are made from specific elastomer materials that meet the needs of your application. We have a variety of rubber compounds on hand, including NBR, Silicone, FKM, and many more. We can also custom color match your material and modify polymers to better handle environmental factors like friction or chemical resistance. Using the same material from prototype to production creates a continuity that smooths the production process and helps avoid schedule, budget, quality, and regulatory risks. For an easy transition, Apple Rubber can take any prototype to high-volume tooling for production. When it comes to prototyping, we have the expertise to help you bring your designs to life.